Emotional labor, the hidden #1 fastest growing trend at workplace for the last 20 years. It is also quietly becoming the biggest threat to workplace health. And you, unknowingly, are part of the victim statistics. Don't think so? Let's take a quick look into the reality. You find yourself displaying and projecting positive emotions you are not actually feeling. For example, you are emotionally drained to the point of breaking down, yet you have to show that you are strong, that you are holding the fortress. You're feeling like you are a fraud, a fake, being someone that you are not when you are at work, with your colleagues, with your friends, or sometimes even with your loved ones. You have been hiding and suppressing negative emotions at work, or combating conflicting emotions because of perceived work professionalism, or wanting to fit in, or being accepted in the working environment. You are losing part of your own self, your own identity, because you can't. You don't have the freedom to express your thoughts and emotions. All these are the results of emotional labor. And if you have 2 or more of these feelings checked, that means you are going through overwhelming stress or burnout as a result of emotional labor. And it's time for you to quickly get yourself out and set yourself free before you lose your entire self. Hi, my name is Angeline and I help women to find new expression and voice to excel both at work and at home. I still remember back in those days as a high-flying corporate figure in a male-dominant industry, which is running a shopping mall. I thought that I have to appear strong, capable, able to, as compared to the other male colleagues. So I never allow the worries, the struggles, the concerns that I have to be shown. In fact, I always appear to be fearless. I always appear to be strong in front of everyone else. I thought that I need to prove the other people wrong so that I can survive. I am being accepted in the industry. Little do I know that is what is called by emotional labor. I didn't say no to tasks which was given or passed on to me unfairly by my boss. Neither did I say no if I need to work with irresponsible colleagues or underperforming colleagues. So all these years, when I accumulate all these negative emotions that I suppress, I experienced what we call as overwhelming stress and burnout at work. And normally when we experience burnout at work, the first thing that comes to mind is to take vacation, to take a holiday. Well, I did that, come back to work, and it feels the same. Perhaps it would have reduced the stress slightly, but it will come back again. Over the years, this keep on repeat and repeat and repeat. Even though I got used to so faking the emotions that I'm going through at work, the overwhelming stress and burnout continues to build up. And that's where the starting of having depression starts. When I first having a depression and it got worse, even though when I see psychiatrists and the psychiatrist said that you have to take a rest, a break, and I did exactly that, it didn't help. In fact, it got worse to the stage of becoming a suicidal case. So nobody would have seen me as a person who is very successful, very positive, very strong at work, would have landed and ended up going through that direction. So if you think when you are facing overwhelming stress and burnout and you think by taking vacation or as a break you are able to handle it or get out from it, you are absolutely wrong. So what can you do? Well, I would never be able to stand here to share with you my own experience if I have not come out from that kind of madness, that kind of mess. So stay tuned to the next video so I'll be able to share with you my own framework to get out from this emotional labor. So to see how have I come out from it and excel in both my work and my home. Talk soon.